IdeaForge is one of the first few companies to enter India's drone market and the first company to launch a domestically manufactured drone in India in 2009. The company is now launching its new product, the new drone called NETRA 5, and we are joined by Ankit Mehta, the co-founder of IdeaForge. Ankit, tell us more about this new product that you've launched today.
Thanks, Madeeha. I think, what has been happening, if you have followed what is happening globally in all the wars that have been going around and what we are also experiencing with the systems that we have deployed, is that globally there is a challenge of electronic warfare, jamming resistance and many other issues that have taken front center stage in terms of all drone technology globally. This is a drone that is capable of GNSS denied navigation. If you block the GPS signals, it will still continue to operate. It will also, in the first place, come back and land. But if you want to man a border and you want to make sure that despite the resistance from the other side, we should be able to scan that line of interest, then the system, despite getting the communication and GNSS jam, can continue to scan this line and give you data back to the ground controller, even if the drone cannot receive data from the ground controller. So that allows you to do your mission in many of these scenarios without feeling restricted or compromised in terms of what's going to happen. When we build technology in a way that it is uncompromised in terms of performance. While embedding all of this capability, we have not taken anything away from the performance of the platform. So this platform, with its dual EOIR payload, will deliver at least 75 minutes of flying time to the end user. And will also have the ability to host an additional 2 kilograms, where the flight time might come down, but you will have the ability to host that additional payload depending on the kind of mission you want to run.
Tell us how many orders you've already secured for NETRA 5.
So NETRA 5, we are offering today, starting today, we are offering it as an early access platform because we've just released the platform. So we are offering it as an early access technology where users can experience the technology in the field and work towards the various budgets and other activities that they would want to.
When everything is going so well, new launches, your order book is strong, why was there such a steep drop of 81% in your revenue? And you also posted losses in the third quarter. Your stock is also seeing steep decline every day. Why is that? Can you explain how are you assessing the financial performance of your company?
So I think, we have always maintained that because one of our primary customers with a lot of reliance initially on our order book has been defense. And defense can be a lumpy business. And the scale at which we are operating today is not large enough for some of these perturbations to not matter to the overall revenue achievement that we can get through the year. So I think we are seeing that because of the delay that has happened in terms of how the government is looking at procuring the technology, we are seeing a little bit of shift in timelines. And that shifted timelines is what is visible in terms of our performance. In terms of what we are doing to create value for the business, it's continued to remain strong. And you can see through the launches that we've done this event and the technology that we are creating, we have been on point in terms of what our customers need and want us to deliver to them.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV18. For all top headlines and updates, follow us on our social media platforms.